So, I am going to show you an amazing exercise to build up your glutes. It is called, take 2 kettlebells, Roman deadlifts. Hip hinge, get your butt back, head up, and go down with the bells, and come up. Go down with the bells so you feel a big stretch in the hamstrings and come up. Down with the bells, come up. If you see it from the side, hip hinge, back, come up. This is great to get a stretch in your hamstrings, build up those glutes, get that butt you always wanted.